it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video that I have been wanting to do for a little while now, I feel like, and I just haven't. And so this is going to be my crochet braid pattern. I put up quite a few crochet braid videos. It is definitely one of my go-to styles, and I believe I have shared my braiding pattern with you guys before. I don't know if I've done it in a separate video or not, but we're doing one here today. So you guys can see I'm wearing crochet right now. This is Free Tress Summer Deep. This video should already be up. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put up this cornrow video after. So if you are interested in seeing this crochet braid style, definitely go to the description box down below, click the link so you guys can watch the review to this hair. So yeah, so when I was filming this video, I went ahead and filmed my braiding pattern as well, which is just 14 cornrows straight back that I loop like into the next one, and then I'll just be left with one braid at the end that I'll just crochet into my head, and then in the center I crisscross the braid so that I'm able to do an invisible part, which I did do for this style. I'm not utilizing it right now. I'm just utilizing the flip over method. Super easy, no real part, but in case you guys are interested, that crisscross that I do in the center can be done in any area of your head. So if you want to do, you may want to do more than one invisible part. Some people do like to do that, a middle one and a side one. I normally just do a middle one if I do one at all, and if I wear my hair to the side, I wear it like this, which is literally just taking the hair and just flipping it to one side, no part at all. So let's go ahead and jump into the little clip of me braiding, and then I'm gonna give you guys a tip in case you wanna do a different braiding pattern that would allow you to wear your hair up in like a ponytail or a bun or something like that. So let's go ahead and jump right into that clip. Okay, so that was the clip of me braiding up my hair. I cannot teach you guys how to cornrow, but I did try to get close up to the camera and just kind of show you guys how I do braid my hair kind of in slow motion. But if you don't know how to cornrow, you're definitely gonna have to look up some different videos to learn how to do that first, and then come back to this one so that you can get the right crochet braiding pattern. So you guys saw at the very end when I looped up the last braid that I had, up into my head. So that is super easy. You don't have to sew it down, which is great because I know in some crochet braid videos, they will show you at the end, well, they'll take the braids and they'll like sew them up together. And to me, that's just an extra step. And braiding one braid into the next one, is very easy. And I feel like it may be difficult to explain, but you guys saw me do it. So it's not hard at all. And so what I wanted to say is, what I have also done in the past for styles that I maybe wanted to wear up in a ponytail or a bun or something like that, is have a cornrow at the base of my neck. So what I'll do is this first braid on the side, I'll go ahead and braid it all the way over here. So literally at the nape of my neck, I'll have the cornrow go like this. That will be braid 1. Braid 2 is going to be here. And then I'm gonna take this cornrow on this side and loop it up just as if I would have done it if I would have been going to the next braid over here. So cornrow here, braid it at the bottom, and then stop. You'll have it hanging, and then you'll start a cornrow here, and then you will take this braid and you will loop it into this one, and then you will continue cornrowing from there. So now once you've looped it into this one, you have one piece hanging. This cornrow is done, this cornrow is done, and you'll move it to the next one here. This will be cornrow number 3. You'll take this piece, loop it in, so on and so forth until you get to the middle. Then you will come and you will finish this side. So this will be another cornrow, loop it up, loop it up, loop it up. And at the end, you're still going to be left with one braid in the center, and you're gonna loop it up the same way. So after you've looped it up, you'll have what you saw in the video, which is just the cornrow straight back, but then you're gonna have that one that goes around the base. And when you do that, that allows you to be able to do an invisible part. So the invisible part is gonna be the same as if you were to do it for the middle or for the side. You're gonna do it along the back. So you're gonna have that knotted part in here, and then this is gonna be the crochet braid hair. So that when you flip your head over, all of that is gonna be the invisible part. And let me actually show you guys. And it's gonna look like this. You guys can see the part here. So this is gonna be what's gonna be facing your neck. And then these knots are gonna be on the inside so that you'll be able to flip your hair up and wear ponytails and things like that. So I did not show you guys that in this video just because I personally don't wear my hair crochet braids up. Wait, what did I do? I feel like I just said that's so weird. I normally don't wear my crochet braid styles up in ponytails or buns or anything. And if I do, it's probably just for like workout purposes or something like that. And so I'll just put on a headband or, you know, some kind of little scarf or something cute and just tie it so you don't see the knots in the back. So yeah, but if you guys are interested in that, I just wanted to mention that to you because I have done that before. I also have a video on my channel. It is pretty old, but it is for a half up, half down crochet. So that means where the front part, so like literally half up, half down. So like you will part your hair for that type of style. And then the front is just gonna be, you know, your real hair. You may be making a bun, you may be doing braids, whatever. But this back section is gonna be crochet. And I like to do a beehive for that. I may link it down below. I'm gonna look on my crochet braid playlist and see how the quality looks because that video is a few years old. But I do still use that exact same braiding pattern whenever I do a half up, half down style. So I'll probably link that below for you guys just to check out so you can see how I do my beehive in the back. However, I do believe I'm going to be doing a crochet braid style very soon in a half up, half down, which is going to be probably the braids in the front with that curly hair in the back because I love that. I think it's so cute. So if I do that video, I will film an updated braiding pattern video probably for a half up, half down crochet, but it will be the exact same as the one that I already have up on my channel. So hopefully hopefully this can help you guys out. It is a very simple crochet braiding pattern. It is great for thick hair. And if your hair is not as thick as mine, you don't need as many braids. So I do 14 because I have a lot of hair. However, you can do 12. So I would recommend to not do any fewer than 12 because if you do less than that, you're gonna have so much it's gonna be so obvious in the front because of the spacing. So my cornrows are nice and tight, you know, kind of like put together like this. And so when you start doing fewer, obviously it's gonna be more spaced. If you only have 4 braids over here, you know, as opposed to 7, there's gonna be, you know, wider space in between the braids. So I would say definitely if your hair is thinner to do 6, you could do 6 and 6, have 12, or 7 and 7 and have 14. I really wouldn't say do any more than that. I would say either do 12 or do 14, and that's it. Because if you, the more braids you have, the more hair it's gonna take to cover your cornrows. So if you do like 20 braids, like let's say you do 10 and 10, you're gonna have to cover up so many more braids with crochet braid hair than you would if you were to do just 12 or 14. So just keep that in mind. These are just some tips I'm throwing out to you guys, because I've been wearing crochet for a few years now. Yeah, I feel like I was wearing crochet maybe before I started doing YouTube. I feel like I wore a few styles before I actually started recording it. So it's been a few years. So I'm just throwing out these tips for you guys, hoping that they will help out. Don't forget to check out this crochet braid video. That once again, this is Free Tress Summer Deep. I'm gonna have this linked in the description box down below so you guys can check out this video too. And I think that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything related to crochet or future videos that you'd like to see on my channel, please comment in the comment section down below. I always get back to you guys. And yeah, that is it. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Also check out my loungewear store. I will have that link in the description box as well. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.